Boeing. Boeing falls 5%. Again, with all that's going on with the coronavirus, not only is Boeing getting hurt, how about the commercial airlines are getting hurt? It fell to trade 215 by 11:56 on Tuesday. The volume Boeing shares traded since it started the season was 5.5 million. Boeing is traded in a range of $215 to $237 on the day. The stock is traded 297 at its highest and 215 at its lowest during the past 7 days. Boeing is still on a big volatility roller coaster, especially because of what happened to the 737. Another stock that caught my attention was Starbucks. Starbucks trims guidance due to coronavirus breakout. So there's another stock that, due to coronavirus, is being affected adversely. China business is reeling under the impact of the coronavirus outbreak. However, the company stated that the pandemic disease hasn't impacted its U.S. business, but it is affecting the business in China. Starbucks has closed nearly 80% of its stores in China in early February due to the Lunar Year holiday and the coronavirus outbreak. So for those of you who are Starbucks fans, it's not nearly as big here as it is in China, but because China is a big part of their business, they are trimming their guidance due to the coronavirus outbreak. And the last one that I'm looking at that caught my attention was Wal Mart. Wal Mart may cut store hours to combat coronavirus and says a Kentucky associate has tested positive. All right, so there you go. 3 big stocks that did catch my attention in news, which are also coronavirus related. Let's go back to the list. Those 3, let's go back and find today's date, 3/12. And here we go. Let's go open them up. Starbucks, Walmart, and Boeing. Dang it. Walmart and Boeing. All right. Starbucks, pretty in line with its value, so it's not, I'm going to call that fairly valued. Walmart is overvalued, and Boeing, still is undervalued. This is a company that's been around for a long time, so it's still under its value. Upside potential on Starbucks is good. It's at 1.20. This stock should still outperform a AAA corporate bond. Walmart is dead even. Boeing should still outperform a AAA corporate bond, but understand that Boeing is still falling in price. As far as relative safety, earnings on Starbucks should be good. Walmart, okay. Boeing, okay as well. All 3 stocks, relative timing, all 3 stocks are in a downtrend. Now, Walmart's the only one that's a hold recommendation. Starbucks is a sell. Boeing is a sell. How about Starbucks is growing their earnings at a clip of 13%? Companies that grow their earnings are attractive companies. Walmart is only growing at 8%, and Boeing, man, they're still losing money, growing or losing 3% a year. Let's right-click, view the stock graphs on these. Man, Boeing is just getting beaten up. And at some point in time, you say, where's the bottom? Well, the bottom is where the stock stops going down and starts going up. Not there yet. Look at the earnings per share over the last year. Next one, Walmart, a little bit of a sideways mumbo here, is approaching a level of support sitting at 104.38. And a lot of selling pressure. Look at the big wick on today's candle, a lot of selling pressure on the stock. And the stock is now, I do like that it's getting close to that level of support and it's trying to get out of that range and bounce back up. That might not be a bad play. And then at least I have a profit target up to that level of resistance sitting at 115. All right, so I can play that if it bounces off of that level of support. And the last one, Starbucks. Man, Starbucks is getting beaten up, created its own new level of support over the last year. I love the earnings on Starbucks, but because of the coronavirus, it's feeling the effects and moving down in the market. But beautiful earnings. This company makes money. It makes money. And prior to all of this that was going on, it was doing pretty well and fell, found a level of resistance, broke down, and fell again. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Now, if you're new to the software or would like refresher information about the software, click on this Getting Started video right here. Thanks to all of your input, here's a YouTube video that we think would be perfect for you. Click right here. If nothing else, folks, just hit the subscribe button right here.